And then the next part is may and might. Yeah, so I'm following the Petty's Crime for Answer book. Yeah, may or might. Yeah. Okay, so may or might is actually classified as model. Yeah. Okay, but in Petty's Crime for Answer, in my version in the edition, it's it's uh, it's it's located atau it's classified in the present time. Yeah, in the present time. So may and might and will. Yeah. Okay, so may and might is the future possibility. Yeah, future possibility. Yeah, so for example, future possibility that I may come to your class, I may come to your house, I may drop over your house, I might have some, I might watch your program, I might have dinner in a restaurant. Yeah, so it is not sure. It's 50%, 50% sure. So not 100 or 99 or 85%, but 50%. So we use may, yeah, or might. And basically, may and might are almost the same. So for the basic learners, so just say that may and might are the same. Yeah. And how about the format? The format is simple, the same format as we use will. So subject plus may or might, and then plus simple form. Yeah. Okay. So and then negative, for negative, I may not come to your house. Yeah, I might not come to your house. Yeah. And then for questions is may I come to your house, or may you come to your house? Yeah, so it's a little bit unpopular. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But the popular one is for negative and positive. I may come, I may not come. Yeah. I might play tennis tomorrow. I might not play tennis tomorrow. Yeah. So may and might are models and use about the, yeah, it's a probability. Yeah, 50%. Whether it's not a plan, so that it's not 100%. Yeah, it's a 50% possibility that it will be done. Yeah. Okay, something like that. Okay, may and might versus will. Yeah? Okay. Complete the sentences, use will or won't if you are sure, may or might if you are not sure. Yeah, so it's subjective, yeah, actually, yeah. It depends on us. Yeah, whether we are sure or we are not sure. Yeah. Eat breakfast tomorrow morning. Yeah, sometimes that's I will. Yeah. And be in class tomorrow. I want. Yeah, so right now it's a semester holiday and it's at the same time it's a pandemic time. So I think only a few people or maybe no people at all at school or at campus. Many of them are learning from home. Yeah, now. Yeah, I hope that this condition can be over soon. Yeah, it doesn't have to stay very long. Yeah, and get a letter from a friend of mine tomorrow. So yeah, I want get a letter from a friend of mine tomorrow. Yeah, letter or email. No. Watch TV for a little while after dinner. No, nobody watches TV right now. So we watch YouTube. So I watch TV. Yeah, only a few people, yeah, still watch TV. Different from what happened in 1980s. Grammar in class tomorrow. We won't. Yeah, for sure. Eat dinner at the restaurant tonight. I may not. May not. I may not or I may. Yeah, so may not and may is almost the same, but our preference whether it's for sure or it is not for sure. I may not eat dinner at the restaurant tonight. Be cloudy tomorrow. Yeah, it may not. May not. Yeah, so may not. It may not be cloudy tomorrow. The sun. I think the sun will rise. Yeah, the sun will rise tomorrow morning, and I want. So it's subjective. Very subjective. Yeah. Okay. May and may not is almost the same, yeah, guys. So it depends on our perception whether we may or 51% for sure or may not 49%. Yeah. We use 49% for may not. We use 51% for may. Yeah. Or 50% for may. Yeah. Okay, so I hope that my explanation can help you build your understanding about how to use English grammar correctly and more accurate, especially for the lesson of may and might and will. Yeah, okay. And there will be there may not be another earthquake in Japan next few months. Oh, and will and may are connecting to future. Yeah, so connecting to future. The population of the Earth will continue to grow. That is for sure, guys. That is for sure. That is for sure. Cities, this is also for sure. So we use will. And outer space, we may. Yeah, we may communicate with beings from outer space before the end of the 21st century. It's a 2020 now, so the end of the 21st century, 21st century, 2099. So it's 2099. We will be able to communicate with beings from outer space. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, we may. And I think right now some people already we will communicate. Yeah. Do you think we will communicate with other beings through music? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it's very subjective. Maybe one word and maybe two words. Yeah. Maybe or yeah, maybe as one word is an adverb. Yeah, maybe as one word. Yeah. Yeah, so might be is so I should so it's grammatically different. Yeah, both of them have the same meaning but grammatically different. Yeah, may or might is a model, maybe is an adverb. Yeah. So we have to use this some clue. This is some clue. So we can use this. Maybe one time we use may or might, and another time we use maybe as variety. So it's various. So it's not boring. Yeah, sometimes we can use it differently, not to make it boring. Yeah. Okay. I don't have any plans. Yeah. Maybe I'll go swimming. Maybe I'll go swimming. I don't know. He may. Yeah. For he may be in his office. I don't know. Maybe he is in the office. Maybe he is in the office. Yeah. Are Kate and Steve going to get married? Maybe. Who knows? And I don't know. I may move to San Francisco. Have you ever been to San Francisco, guys? And where are you planning to go on our vacation? Maybe we will go to Mexico. We haven't decided yet. We may go to Florida. Is Amanda married? I'm not sure. Maybe. Yeah, so maybe it's used when there is already clause, yeah, subject and verb. And may or might is used when there is not as a verb. Yeah. Maybe she is sad and maybe she isn't. Do you think it will rain tomorrow? I have no idea. Maybe it will and maybe it won't. Yeah, just small letter. Are you going to study English this semester? Maybe. Are you? I'd like to have a pet. What kind of pet would you like? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Maybe I will get a canary. What is a canary? Yeah, so canary is a bird. It's a small bird. Yeah, it can be yellow. Yeah, or in bahasa Indonesia, it's called burung kenari. I'll get, or maybe I'll get a snake. Oh my gosh, no, not a snake. I'm not sure. I may or might, of course. Yeah, get a frog, or I may or might get a turtle. What's wrong with cat or dog? Okay, it's funny. Maybe one word or maybe two words. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you some clues. Yeah, maybe is an adverb. Well, may be is may plus be. Yeah. So remember, we use noun plus be plus noun, noun plus be plus adjective, and noun plus be plus preposition. Yeah, so this is the rule of using to be. Yeah? Okay, so it may be cold tomorrow. Will the plane be on time? I think so, but it may be. Why we use maybe separated? Because there is a subject. Yeah, this is the subject. And then you would like, yeah, subject. Yeah, this is the clue. Yeah, clue. Yeah, both of them have the same meaning, but we have to look at the clue. Yeah, okay, this is the clue. Let's talk to Carlos too. Maybe he would like to go with us. I think he maybe. Yeah, so he is a subject, and there is already clause, so we can use this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is the end of this exercise. For coming to the next lesson, I hope that you really got the benefit. Yeah. From my steps to step problem solving. And how can we do this? Yeah. How can we learn this? So we learn this by having the book, or this it could be online, but better offline book or hard copy books. And then you do the exercise, and then you check your answer with me. Yeah, you check your answer with me. Yeah, and then you also give the reason why it should be like this. Yeah, so I hope that my video can help you and be beneficial to you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video and on the next lesson. Yeah. Okay.